It's good.
This water was nice. Let's continue with the video. Look at what we found. Aldo, look at that. Oof. We found water. More water, actually. There are like two right next to each other. And a lot more water. Let me go to... Yeah. Ooh, woo. We got some of the nice bathroom.
Hey, he made it alive.
And I did touch the water.
Come on,
Yeah.
Junior, you want to get out?
Whoa, look at how much water's right there.
He dropped water.
The other side? Anyone? There's a nice rock and I want it. I want it to not be too deep.
Let me show you guys how deep this is. Compared to my hand, it goes all the way to my fingers. Gonna drink some. It's cold. I don't know what's in there. Brand is going that. Hold on. Burn sticks.
Junior, you're dirtying your whole shirt.
Oh no.
Jason, what do I
It's okay. Throw it in the water.
It's okay. It's
do? No, no.
okay. No, just put
No,
it
you
down.
don't dirty the water.
Here, get it. Let me.
Oh, that's true.
Let me watch.
And somebody else goes to drink it.
Like,
I survived the bridge of widespread. There you go. That's what I've been missing this video. My feet look so weird with widespread on. But look, you could draw with these burnt ones. Oh, somebody already drew here, so I'm gonna just cross them out. Wait, let me look for a good part. This part. I crossed them out. Take your feet out of the water.
I tripped on the bridge. I tripped on the bridge. I was like, wow.
Hi, Doug.
Hi, puppy.
Yeah, he's a lab and a cocker spaniel.
Oh,
Wow. He's got the cocker spaniel hair.
Yes. Arrow pointing. Apollo D'Angelo YT on YT. It's like double YT. I messed up the A right here and right here, so I made it again right here. In case anybody was wondering. That way anybody can subscribe. This is my cousin, PopStar Gaming. But he's been recording like this whole time. He's gonna edit it on Filmora Go, I want to say.
Filmora 9, Filmora 9. I can't risk a watermark over a watermark on my intro.
Aldo, just because it's two watermarks.
A watermark over another watermark.
I hit myself with this. Yeah. I poked myself really bad. But shout out to PopStar Gaming. His channel link will be in the description below. He has 19 subscribers, I think. I almost poked myself again. And let's just get him to 25 subscribers, maybe 2 million. So yeah. We're about to end this vlog. It's like a little frame rate.
And I'm getting up because this is the